E weche mag tuke ni tim mar Harambee Stars oduogo pacho ka odiochieng' ma kawuono ka giwuok e piny mar Ivory Coast kama ne giwuokie amodhi mar gonde 3-3 gi tim mar Gambia e tuke manyo tiko tuke pinje duto. Stars kotelne gi kocha maduong' Benny McCarthy biro bedo maonge mathoth ka nyaka gitim ikruok ne tugo e kindgi gi tim mar Gabon chieng' Jumapil. Kane oloso gi jofwambo tok mole alap ma Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Benny olero ni pod gin gi geno mar ng'ado tiko ka tugo e kindgi gi Gabon nyaka gi duoko makare. Riwruok matayo tuke adhula pacho ka okwayo johera mag adhula mondo chop kar rombgi e alap manyayo.
Turn out in large numbers, on Sunday to come and support the team because it's quite important. Playing first time at home in 4 years, I believe everybody wants to come and see what the national team looks like, after quite a while, and the new team that is being assembled by Coach Benny. So hopefully our fans can turn out in large numbers and come to support us, and we promise to give a good account of ourselves.
Very strong because they're the number one in the group now. They're top, ahead of Ivory Coast. So yeah, they can't be taken lightly. So yeah, I think we're going to assess today the team, and then hopefully tomorrow we would have had loads of recoveries and players fit. But you have to try and utilize every player in the team. You don't want